Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 7 Tips How to get rid of hiccups fast. Hiccups come at the most inconvenient times, and when you're in public, you might need to use some very subtle methods to control them. Here are 7 time-tested techniques to get rid of hiccups in a hurry. 1. Cover your mouth. Cup your hands over your nose and mouth, but continue breathing normally. The extra dose of carbon dioxide should help you get rid of hiccups. 2. Use your hands to stop hiccups. Press the palm of your hand with the thumb of your other hand. The harder, the better. Alternatively, you can squeeze the ball of your left thumb between the thumb and forefinger of the right. The discomfort is a distraction that affects your nervous system and make your hiccups. And you can do it under the table without anyone staring at you. 3. Hold your breath. Take a deep breath and hold it. When there's a buildup of carbon dioxide in your lungs, your diaphragm relaxes, which should help get rid of hiccups. 4. Stick out your tongue. When no one's watching, stick out your tongue. This exercise is done by singers and actors because it stimulates the opening between the vocal cords, the glottis. You breathe more smoothly, quelling the spasms that cause hiccups. 5. Plug your ears. Excuse yourself for a few minutes, then stick your fingers in your ears for 20 to 30 seconds. Or press the soft areas behind your earlobes, just below the base of the skull. This sends a relaxed signal through the vagus nerve, which connects to the diaphragm. 6. Drink some water to get rid of hiccups. Take 9 or 10 quick sips in a row from a glass of water. When you're gulping a drink, rhythmic contractions of the esophagus override spasms of the diaphragm. 7. Eating a spoonful of sugar. Scientists in the 1970s found that 19 out of 20 patients with hiccups found that eating a spoonful of granulated sugar stopped their hiccups. How this works isn't fully known, although it may be that the sugar affects the vagus nerve which connects your brain and your tummy. This may stop the diaphragm from spasming. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tutorial and tips, subscribe the channel.